This meditation is designed to rewire your thoughts, cultivating an unshakable positive mindset. Sit upright in power posture, back straight, shoulders open, hands palms up to knees. Intention: I am reprogramming my mind for positivity, resilience, and limitless possibilities. Begin with 5 half breaths. Inhale deeply, exhale forcefully through mouth. Now imagine your mind as a sky. Some stormy clouds, this is negative thoughts, float by. With each exhale, watch them dissolve into clear blue space. Now see a golden broom sweeping through your brain, clearing natural pathways. Hear the words. These thoughts do not define me. Notice where negativity lives in your body. Jaw, gut. Breathe into those areas, imagining them filling with white light. Release years of accumulated doubt. Recall 3 specific moments when you felt truly happy. Relive each in vivid scenery detail. Sounds, smells, textures. Place your hand on your heart as each memory activates, creating a joy trigger. Now repeat after me, aloud or silently. My mindset creates my reality. I attract positive opportunities effortlessly. My challenges become my strengths. Now imagine these words being etched into your neurons with golden light. Visualize yourself 6 months from now, already embodying this positive mindset. Notice how this version of you stands taller, speaks with confidence, sees solutions where others see problems. Step into this future you. Feel their mental clarity becoming yours now. Now envision an emerald green force field surrounding you. This shield transforms negativity into learning opportunities, attracts synchronistic support, filters out toxic influences. Repeat silently with fingertips touching third eye. I think, therefore I become. My mind is my superpower. Feel the vibration rewiring your thought patterns. You don't see the world as it is, you see it as you are. Today, you choose to be limitless. Your mind is a garden. This meditation just planted new seeds. Water them daily.